Central Intelligence Organization boss fired over coup plot allegations. Sanavana mashoko obuda panapa aitsanangura zvinzi aiwa the former CIO boss panguva inoi onekwa kunzi akafaiwa pamusoro aiwa pama-allegations ecoup against mutungamiri wenyika. Sanavana mashoko amudanyirwa panapa dotwa subscribe or like on the bell icon titina panapa muZVAITWA vanobudanyira vachiti Central Intelligence Organization CIO Director General Isaac Moyo was abruptly dismissed last year, was reportedly ousted due to the allegiance to disgruntled war veterans and army generals begging VP Chiwenga speed for the presidency. ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mchangwa is suggested. President mnangagwa dismissed Moyo without notice in December last year, along with the Fautun Magwanya, former head of the Zimbabwe PACS and Wildlife Authority. Around the same time, Mnangagwa also retired Police Commissioner General Godwin Matanga, replacing him with the Deputy Stephen Mutamba. Mchangwa stated that these demotions were part of a calculated intelligence strategy to weaken Chiwenga and a faction of war veterans resisting Mnangagwa's efforts to extend his rule beyond 2028. Speaking to reporters on Tuesday, Mchangwa suggested that Mnangagwa's systematic replacement of top security officials was intended to preempt a potential coup. These changes ensure that security institutions remain professional and committed to constitutional order, Mchangwa said, hinting at deep-rooted factional battles within the ruling party. Last week, Mnangagwa also demoted Zimbabwe National Army Commander General Sanyatwe. Mchangwa openly ridiculed the demotions, implying that Sanyatwe and other high-ranking security figures were pegged for aligning with war veteran led by Bombshell Gesa, a vocal critic of Mnangagwa who has been advocating for his removal. These guys tiona pachani Central Intelligence Organization bosses vachifakiwa nokuda kwaVP Chiwenga nokuda kweunzi aiwa they are being alleged kuti vanomwe supports kuna VP Chiwenga and they can plan a coup against the Zimbabwean leader. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudipa zuri pachitiko ichi pana konversation medu. Mudze mafunguro enyu, musanga subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.